In this video, we are discussing about Porifera. This phylum, which shows a multicellular animals, first phylum from the kingdom Animalia. The general characters and classification is included in this chapter. These animals are aquatic, mostly marine, few are terrestrial. Their habitat is such a type of wide range. They are solitary or colonial. म्हणजे हे ॲनिमल एकटे राहू शकतात किंवा कॉलनी फॉर्म करू शकतात. दे हॅव सेल्युलर ग्रेड ऑफ बॉडी. म्हणजे या ॲनिमल्समध्ये 2पेक्षा जास्त सेल्स असल्यामुळे आणि त्या सेल्सचा डिव्हिजन ऑफ लेबर म्हणजे बॉडी ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, बॉडी फंक्शन्स, बॉडी फिजिओलॉजी ही वेगवेगळ्या सेल्सच्या ग्रुपला वाटून दिलेली असते. याला म्हणायचं डिव्हिजन ऑफ लेबर. बॉडी शेप इज व्हेरिएबल, मोस्टली सिलेंड्रिकल, and this body shows asymmetrical or radially symmetrical nature. It is made up of diploblastic body wall. Means 2 layers are there. Inner layer endoderm, outer layer ectoderm. In between these 2 layers, gelatinous non-cellular mesoglia is present. It consists of free amoeboid cells. Body cavity is called as spongiocele. Coelom is absent. A true body cavity naste. The surface of body has a numerous perforations called as ostia. Singular ostium. On the upper side, on the apex, there is larger pore called as osculum. This animal has a water canal system. Water canal system is the most important and significant character of these poriferan animals. The endoskeleton of Porifera is made up of spicules or the sponging fibers. The spicules are made up of calcium carbonate or silica, and these fibers are made up of proteins. Its nutrition is holozoic. All types of food particles at the steady level accepted with help of water canal system. Digestion is intracellular, means food particles are not digested in any system, any organ, but food particles are engulfed by cell. Inside the cell, digestion takes place. That is intracellular digestion. Nervous system is totally absent. Circulatory system is totally absent, but reproduction has a both type, asexual as well as sexual mode. Asexual reproduction by budding or by gemule or regeneration. Sexual reproduction, that is gamete formation, gamete fusion takes place, gamete exchange also takes place. Fertilization is internal. In case of reproduction, this animal shows high power of regeneration. Means if any body part break, its each and every broken part can be grown into next animal on a substratum. In next video, we see the classification of porifera.